Hi everyone, welcome to New Gen Education app. In the instant notification screen, Institute can send instant parent notification message like holiday declaration, any appreciation, disciplinary action, emergency messages, and any other type of messages. Instant notification message will be delivered to the parent on a given delivery date. You have to create email or SMS message template in notification template screen before creating the instant notification here. Admin, teacher and other non-teacher staff can create the instant notification. Now we are going to see how to create instant notification. Choose menu, Institute, instant notification. Click create. Say for example, if Institute wants to send disciplinary action notification for latecomers today, they can select latecomers group here. Latecomer group can be created in menu Institute Assignee group. By typing late here, we can see all student groups related to latecomers. Select group latecomers. In order to send email based instant notification, email notification template should be chosen. In order to send SMS based instant notification, SMS notification template should be chosen. Type disciplinary in the field template ID. So it will list out all disciplinary action message template. I am choosing disciplinary action for latecomers. Enter the delivery date of the message. Click next button in the bottom of the screen. If maker wants to add any remarks about creation, they can do it in maker remarks. And checker can view the same under the audit tabs during authorization. After creation, press save. Once you have created here, it requires one level of authorization or verification by another staff or admin. If one level of authorization step is not required, you can avoid that by allowing auto authorization for teacher or other non-teacher staff users. This can be done from user role screen. Please refer user manual of user role screen for more details. Thank you.